Hey guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you the best solution for Amazon Merch on Demand Rejected Apply. Let's begin. So if you go to the merch.amazon.com site, you'll be greeted about this page where it says, become a Merch on Demand content creator. Share your designs with the world by creating graphic tees, accessories, and more, all printed on demand. We handle your printing and shipping so you can design while we deliver. Now, if you scroll down, it says here you can upload your artwork, and then suggest a list price or retail price, and then it says here reprint what's sold, and fast shipping with Prime, and then earn monthly royalties. So if we go down here, it says, how does it work? Simply upload your artwork, choose a product type and color, and add a product description. We'll create a product page on Amazon, and when customers buy your product, we'll handle production, shipping, and customer service, all with no upfront fees. So now let's get straight to the point of the video. Getting rejected from Merch by Amazon can be frustrating, but it's not the end of the road. If your application was denied, here are the best steps to take to turn things around and improve your chances of getting accepted next time. First, review the email you received from Amazon. They typically don't provide detailed reasons for rejections, but it's essential to ensure you followed their application process correctly. Make sure you didn't miss any required information or submit something that may have violated their policies or their terms and conditions. Next, focus on improving your application. If you didn't highlight your skills or experience enough, this is your chance to fix that. Emphasize any graphic design expertise, familiarity with e-commerce, or previous success on platforms like Etsy or Redbubble. Make your case that you're serious about selling high-quality, original designs and have the experience to succeed. If you don't have a portfolio, create one. A strong portfolio can set you apart in a competitive pool of applicants. Platforms like Behance or personal websites are great for showcasing your best designs. Be sure to include a range of styles that are professional, creative, and relevant to the print-on-demand market. This shows Amazon that you're ready to contribute as soon as you're accepted. Now, before reapplying, give it some time. Amazon doesn't allow immediate reapplications, so use this waiting period to improve your skills and portfolio further. So you just have to wait maybe a couple of weeks to a couple of months. Stay up to date with what's trending on Merch by Amazon by researching top-selling designs and learn more about their content policies. Last thing that you can do is you can consider alternative platforms while you wait. Sites like Teespring, Redbubble, or Printify can help you gain experience in the print-on-demand space. Not only will this give you valuable insights into what works, but it's also going to give you experience, and that's what matters. If this video helped you out, then please leave a like and consider subscribing. It's free, and it helps the channel to make more videos like this. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.